New just listed home, 12698 116th Street, Largo, Florida by Kurt Stone from the Military Veteran Team. Welcome to your dream home in Largo's Avon Ridge. This charming 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, single-family gem features 1,279 square feet of living space with an open floor plan, modern kitchen, and a private in-ground pool. The primary suite offers a walk-in closet, and additional bedrooms have built-ins for extra storage. Nestled on a 0.18-acre lot in Flood Zone X, enjoy peace of mind and easy access to the Pinellas Trail, top-rated schools, and Gulf beaches. No HOA and great convenience. Schedule your tour today.
Buy or sell with us and move for free in Pinellas County. Google Military Veteran Realty Team and see why we're #1 on Google.